Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening. This is Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Weiß Schwarz Fate Grand Order Camelot, which was sponsored by a friend of mine. So without further ado, let's see what we can get out of this box. There are actually quite a lot of Fate series in Weiß Schwarz. But my friend picked this one because it's his favorite. And we do get a box topper. Ruling of Death, the Lion King. I will see what that is worth later. And without further ado, let's dig into the box and see what we can pick out of the box. We have a BDWare, a Leonardo da Vinci, of course. Yeah, we have the Lion King again, another version of BDWare. And we have our first rare, which is Rousing Resolution, Mesh Kyrielite. I am apologizing for probably butchering the name of the one and the other character. So from Fate I've only seen like one series, so not really that familiar with it. Quite a lot of BDWare, another Leonardo da Vinci, a Tristan, and we have another rare, Error of All His Strength, Arash. Like I said, I am apologizing if I butcher the names. And on to the next pack. I can already see something. And we have a Blessed Rampage Mordred. What's that? It's, well, definitely a higher rarity. And we have another rare with Independent Knight Lancelot. So let me just quickly pick up some sleeves for our Mordred. Very nice foil effect. And let's continue with the next pack. We have a Lancelot, another Mesh, Mordred, Original Law, Hassan of the Cursed Arm. We have a double rare, Bearer of the Holy Lance, the Lion King. So let's leave that up afterwards. Agravane of Iron, and an Indestructible Genius, Leonardo da Vinci, for our rare. So let's leave that one up as well. And on to the next pack. We have an Ozymandias. We have another Lion King. Proud Assassin Hassan of the Cursed Arm. And we have a Raider Knight Mordred SR. Also going to sleeve that up. And another Lion King as a rare. Digging the art so far. And let's see what we get in our next pack. We have a Nitocris, Provocative Gaze. We have a Mesh, Tristan, Lancelot, different Mesh. Another Leonardo, Grand Assassin, Old Man of the Mountain. And we get the Mercy of Buddha. Yeah, I'm not trying to butcher that name, as our rare. And on to the next pack we go. Not wasting any time here. Another Leonardo. A Sabania. One of the masters. Mordred. Ozymandias. Agravain. And we have qualified to know her origins. Mesh as our rare. And on to the next pack we go. Would of course be cool to pull one of the stamped cards in here, but those are rather rare, so I doubt that we are lucky enough. We have another Nitocris, and we have a double rare, Radiant Agatarium Bedivere, another Mesh, and for our rare we have As Long as the Sun Shines, Gawain. So let's leave that one. And on to the next pack we go. Bedivere, Nitocris, Mesh, Tristan, different Tristan, Goodness of Humans, Ozymandias, and as a Pharaoh Nitocris for our rare. And that's our climax card. On to the next pack. Let's see. We have a Bedivere, Nitocris, Mesh, Gawain. We have a double rare Silver Knight of Violet, Bedivere. We have a Lancelot. And we have a Blessed Rampage Mordred for our rare. So let's leave that one. And let's open the next pack. I think in this case there's a bit fewer packs than in regular boxes, but let's see. We have a Mesh, Knight of Treachery Mordred, a climax card that early, Stellar, okay. Ozymandias, and first Hassan Isaba, Old Man of the Mountain, and Lord Camelot as another climax. And in the next pack we have Ozymandias. We have another Lion King. We have a double rare with this Flesh and Bone Mesh. An 8 to the Lion King Agravain as our rare. And let's leave that up. Well, that one wanted to come out of the package, I guess. As usual, I am not exactly sleeving by value, but rather by rarity. I only do light research before I open each pack. We have a Gawain, we have a Bedivere, we have the Sun King's Holy Grail, we had that before as well in one of the packs, Leonardo da Vinci, and for our rare we get the God King Ozymandias. And we are down to 3 packs. Maybe we get a bit of luck with the last packs. Another Mesh, Gawain, Arash, Ozymandias. And for our rare we get a replica Bedivere. Second to last pack. Something good, please. We get a Gawain. We get a Nitocris And for our rare, we get a Knight before the decisive battle, Hassan of Serenity. And another Stellar for our climax. Last pack. Something good for the fans. We have, well, there's definitely something in here. We have an Ozymandias. And we do have an Ancient Queen of the Heavens, Nitocris. It's a very fancy foiling effect. So let's leave that up right away. Another Nitocris, Mordred, and Knight of Sorrow Tristan for our rare. And that was the box. So if you like this content, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next opening. Bye.